Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do a 1-minute SEO checklist for any website that you have. Now, as you may know, there's many different things that go into an SEO checklist. So things like title and meta tags, content structure, the site speed, everything like that. And the tools that make this really easy are things like Google's page speed insights. So here I'll just put in my website. And when you're finished analyzing, you'll get something like this. It'll show you for mobile and desktop. As you may notice, if I go to desktop, everything looks great. But then I go back to mobile, and you can see the performance is down to 58. So this is the first thing I would do to improve this website's SEO. So specifically, it would be going into the mobile performance. And if you scroll down on here, you'll see exactly what you need to do to improve it. And if you're not sure how to do it, you can open it up. You can even click through to learn a bit more. But honestly, I found the easiest way to do these is to just copy and paste this error code into something like ChatGPT or even Gemini AI, since it's Google's native product. And if you're not sure what I mean, go into Gemini, put the error code in, press enter, and then it'll tell you exactly what you need to do to fix it. So this obviously will take a bit more than a minute to do this kind of stuff. But if you really need to fix your site, this will help you immensely. And if at any moment you don't know what it means, like web workers, you could just be like, what is web workers? And it'll explain that to you. So as you can see here, the main issue with this website is performance, but could be other things like SEO or best practices to make sure that everything's good, because you want to get everything to 100 or at least to a green. If you're looking to get a bit more out of these tools, I highly suggest using something like SEM Rush's audit. This is a very comprehensive audit, and there's multiple different types of audits you can do as well. Same thing goes to Moz Pro. You need a subscription for this, but this is a very powerful SEO tool as well. I've actually made several free trials and just canceled them, so you can always just do that. And this HOTH tools is actually a really great one. If there's anything that Page Speed Insights won't find, this will find it. So I highly recommend this. I'll put this in the description down below as well. And lastly, my favorite, if there's any really specific performance issues on your site, whether it's mobile or desktop, GTMetrix is amazing. This shows you exactly where the issue is on your website and how to fix it. So you can always get the summary, which is similar to Page Speed Insights, but then go over to Waterfall. And this waterfall shows you millisecond per millisecond what is happening on the site and what is taking the longest time to load. So this is a really handy tool to know exactly what is blocking your website. You can click into each line item to know exactly what it is, which just really helps you pinpoint the issues on your site so you can fix it, get your SEO back to 100. All right, thanks for watching this video, everyone. I hope it helped you out. If it did, please give it a like so YouTube will recommend it to more people like yourself. And please subscribe to our channel for more great digital marketing tips in this space. All right, that's it from me. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Cheers.